Deck number 3, deck job, rotten boards, replacing. There's the old deck boards and the new deck boards, 5/4 pine. So here we got all the rotten boards removed and the remaining boards prepped for stain. Stripped the coating off with a Dyma brush on my grinder, and I sanded between all the between the boards with by hand, mostly 36 grit, some 40 grit. Sanded all the grooves by hand. Get up to the house. Tens and 12 footers overlap right through here. 22-foot long deck. So all prepped. All the surfaces that I was asked to prep anyway are prepped. All the top horizontal surfaces, the rails. Did the boathouse rails out there. Upper and lower rails are stripped down. All these rails are stripped down. And these are the original boards that have been stripped down, bare wood. Here's a deck already been done. Did this one earlier in the year. And those are where I replaced some boards. Probably let them dry out over the winter and stain them next year. And 5 of them on this deck that I replaced. Otherwise, these are full dimension. Well, these are 2x6s from the lumber yard. Not full dimension. If they were, they'd be actual 2-inch by 6-inch. These are lumber yard 2x6s, but they're not the 5/4 treated like up here. So just built at a different time. Did the railings, stairs. And there's one other deck, an upper deck done too. I won't take any video of that. It's on the other side of the house. It's just similar to actually this deck, the 5/4 deck boards. Shooting a little video. Decks are pretty much a maintenance item. I think every few years there's some work to do on a deck. So take a little lunch break and then I'll get to staining this. Brushed it off and blew it off with the blower. Brushed it off with that real stiff quickie deck broom, and then the blower, leaf blower. Okay, that's all.